Alright, then we install the back panel, back, upper, inside panel. Okay, so it's number 632 3/8 of an inch, and goes from the back side, so it goes from here. Okay. Goes one in. Goes second one in. Then you turn it, put it back like this. Back a little more. Yeah. The first hole. Use the knot to tighten it. And second hole. Right. And just make sure that's tightened. Same for the other side. Good. So that's the back panel. And then we install the electronics. And then we install the motherboard. Some of you have the white board, some have the green board. They're the same, except in the green board there are more military sockets. This is just a little easier to install. Yep. And then the way you install it is the number 632 half inch. Goes into the hole from the back side. And then it will self-tap into the motherboard. So don't go in all the way. I have about a bit less than quarter of an inch out, like until I go all the way in. And then put the board, the orientation is this. So the motor drivers, they sit under. And I align the holes. And I go in. So as I said, I will self-tap into the board. Second hole. Third hole. And push. So the board wouldn't sit exactly on the back panel. There's a little bit of gap so the air can move and keep the board cool. So if I show it from the top, there's a bit of gap under the board. And then next we install the power supply. So for installing the power supply, make sure that if you're at 110, you switch this power to 110 volts. It's right now in 220 and I leave it at 220. If you're 110, just flip the switch. And again, this will sit on the panel, but we want a little bit of space. So the way it goes is that I use M38s. M38s go all the way in. And then I use a number 632 washer as a sort of a spacer. To give a little bit of gap between the power supply and panel. It's just for better air circulation. Could use a washer or any other size nut you want to use. Doesn't really matter. And yeah. So the way you install this is that the terminals is going to face the board. Okay, so first one in. Second one in. Two more to go. All right. Third one in. The last one doesn't like to go. Now just tighten it. From the back. Alright, all set. Again, there's a bit of gap. for better air circulation, because inside the chamber it is going to get hot. You don't want the electronics to get hot as well.